G'day, and welcome back to Forex Bot Zone. Today, we're showing an example of what we do with our indicator data we collect. We will use the data from the previous video to finally make a trading bot. So, the big idea is, if we know the reversal probability from our indicator data, we don't need to backtest or optimize the EA. In fact, optimizing could make our results more random. Why? Because the data already gives us the optimal edge. We'll walk through our data collection process, show the EA collecting data, display the probability graphs, explain how we used include files in MT4, and detail our SL and TP settings. By the end, you'll see why traditional optimization is often unnecessary when you have solid probability data. Let's dive in. It all starts with data collection. We built an MT4 script called Bollinger Bands data collector to analyze historical H4 bars on Euro US dollar and other pairs like Pound US dollar and New Zealand US dollar. The script loops through thousands of bars. For example, 49,700 for Euro US dollar. The data it collects shows us how far price breaks beyond Bollinger Bands. It bins it from 0 to 3 in 0.1 steps and counts outcomes. Continuation is when the price moves greater than 5 pips in the breakout direction, and reversal is when the price moves greater than 5 pips, opposite. A neutral movement is where there is no firm price movement. We set min points equal to 50, which is 5 pips on a 5-digit broker. This is to define significant moves based on Forex volatility. The script outputs a spreadsheet file like BB data Euro US dollar, H4, with probabilities. For example, the upper breakouts average is 37.52% reversal. The lower 38.99% reversal. This data gives us the true historical probability of reversal, our edge, without guessing. Here's the EA collecting data. We attach the script to any chart, set the symbols and time frame to H4. It processes bars from oldest to newest, calculating z-scores and binning excess. This process took around 30 seconds per pair, giving us robust data from 5+ years of history. There is no need for external tools. From the CSV, we created graphs of reversal probabilities. Here's a bar chart of reversal percent for upper and lower breakouts across bins. Notice the average reversal is about 38%. That's our expected win rate for reversal trades. High excess bins, 1 to 1.1, show around a 50% reversal, but they're rare. This data is our optimal, no optimization needed, as its historical reality. Now, how we implemented this in the EA using include files. We simplified the data into include files for the EA. The file BB probabilities contains fitted quadratic equations from the CSV data. The file BB utils contains functions for z-score, breakout excess, %B, squeeze, touches. Our file BB constants contains settings like BB min touches equals 3 and BB squeeze threshold equals 0.15. In the EA, we include these files and use rev score greater than 0.5 for reversal trades. There is no optimization, as the equations are data derived. Stop loss and take profit were set from the data's min points equals 50. 5 pips for significant moves. Our stop loss is set to 7.5 pips, which is 1.5 multiplied by 5 pips. This is to allow volatility while limiting losses on failed reversals. From the data, the chance of a failed reversal is 62%. The take profit is set to 15 pips, 3 multiplied by 5 pips, for a 2-to-1 reward to risk, targeting typical reversal distances. The data shows reversals often occur within 5 to 15 pips. This ensures the EA's risk management matches the data's probability edge. Our backtest win rate of 35.57% correlates closely with the data's reversal probability of around 38%. The correlation between hourly win rates and volatility is 0.49, which is weakly positive, but the aggregate win rate is within 2.43% of the data's reversal percent, showing that EA's performance is data-driven and not random. Factors like spreads reduce the edge slightly, but the similarity validates our approach. The key message: we don't optimize because the data already gives us the optimal probabilities. Optimizing, like changing stop loss, take profit or threshold, would overfit to past noise, leading to random live results. The data's 38% reversal is the true edge. Backtesting confirms it at 35.57%. Changing settings would deviate from this, making results less reliable. Skeptics might say a 35% win rate is low or coincidence, but it's not. The win rate mirrors the data's reversal percent of around 38%. We collected data from real historical bars, fitted equations, and the EA trades only when rev score is greater than 0.5. The close match shows it's data-driven, not luck. If skeptical, run the script on other pairs. You'll see similar alignment. Our data collection gives us the probabilities we need. No optimization required. We set stop loss and take profit based on significant moves, and the results correlate directly. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe for more on data-driven trading. Drop questions in the comments.